Today we're going to show you the installation of the rear seat belt push button kit. Okay, today we're going to install the seat belts into a 1979 911 SC that has never had rear lap belts installed. Okay, first we're going to feel with our fingers and locate the approximate position of the seatbelt mounting hole, and then using an awl to slightly probe through the carpet, we're going to find the center of the hole. Once I have the hole with my awl, using a razor blade or a Stanley knife, I'm going to cut a small cross section to allow the bolt to go through the carpet. Once you've made the slit, we're going to test fit our hardware bolt to see if the threads are clear of any kind of debris. And right now these ones definitely have some buildup in it, so we're going to have to retap those threads. Okay, we're going to use a 7/16 fine. Okay, once we've cleaned the thread, let's just make sure the bolt fits and screws in nicely, which it does. Okay, we're going to take our hardware bolt from our kit, we're going to put the spacer onto the bolt, and then we are going to feed the bolt through the metal bracket for the seatbelt and the plastic sleeve to make sure that the spacer comes through the sleeve. That way things will pivot. Then we're going to put our wave washer onto the bolt. Okay, now we're going to bolt it into the car. So I'm just going to peel this back. I'm going to come through our hole into the carpet. Okay, once you finish tightening the seat belt, it should still pivot around the pivot bolt so that when someone's sitting in it for different size people, it will adjust accordingly. Okay, now we're going to locate the hole on the other side the same way as we did with the first side. So I'm going to use my awl to probe until I find the bolt hole, which I did, and then I'm going to cut out a little piece of carpet. Okay, like we did on the other side, I'm going to clean the thread using a 7/16 tap again. In cars built after 1974, they installed this very thick underlay or soundproofing. So on the outer side, we're going to use 2 spacers on these cars. Okay, we're just going to install our bolt through the seat belt bracket and the plastic cover again, and then we're going to feed it into the hole. And that's it. Thanks for watching.